Hello everyone. So today we're going to look at the stock market from the 17th of February. So a lot of things happened yesterday. So on the 16th of February, 2021, of course, as there was a new proposal from President Biden yesterday for the stimulus package, which will ride the stock market pretty high up. I'm guessing, not only tech wise, but I think mostly tech wise. As yesterday, a couple of tech um, dropped down, but most companies, I'm going to say it's like 50-50. My companies up or down. Um, a good stock to have yesterday was Baidu, Abercrombie and Fitch, the jacket maker, and Genius, I would say. And there are some stocks that went dramatically up, but they'll probably decrease today, as they're pretty small companies, and a new day is a new start, so to say. Um, so yesterday, the stock market, as you can see, the DAX went. So if we look at the 16th, so the 16th then. Okay, 15th close, 16 it went down 0.71%. Um, so it will most probably go a bit up today, as there are things pushing it up too. As for example, the role of vaccines in the US continues to ramp up, and it is promised that vaccines will come to all US citizens, so above a certain age, I'm guessing 16, 18, 20, they will be able to get the vaccines by July 2021, which will sounds very promising and will ride. I'm guessing it will get back to what it was on yesterday's level. So we're looking at an around 0.7, 0.8% increase in the DAX probably. Um, and yeah, so a good companies have today are companies that went down a bit. So I'm guessing uh, Twilio will go up, really going up a bit. Really stock market is closed though. So as you can see yesterday, it has, oh right, there's the long stock market for weekend, of course. So it went down by a bit. So I'm guessing Twilio is a good company to have, as it went down, probably shoot up a bit again. As it is tech wise. Genius is a very very promising stock, but it sometimes has ups and downs. I mean, here it drifted up. It's the 81% when Wall Street uh, bet on it. I would say that shorted it, and then went down 35, 41. Now it's 32% down. So it simply just skipped over this, but it certainly shot the stock high up, 81%, and it only went down the lowest level by 41%. Yeah, 41%. So it's an increase of yeah, 40% almost, where it went up by, yeah, uh, almost exactly 40%. So uh, yeah, so this what I guess they sold uh, less, more of the company here, so that's why the stock went down so fast. So here it shot up, right, as you can see. Um, how much was it? 200. Okay. Because it was a small company, then okay, they sold a bit. So yeah, Genius is a promising stock to have. I mean, I would buy it for sure. We can just skip Baidu. I'm not sure what will happen. Neo are Chinese, so you can't really tell what will happen to them, but they will probably also go up. Slack work. So this one, this one is a pretty difficult one to have, um, as it is weird. I mean, look at the year. It's since the 1st of December, it just pretty much stayed on the same level. I've never seen something like this before. It just staying on the same level right now. It shot up. Fun fact: I actually had this stock when it shot up, as they confirmed that they're gonna sell to some company, so their short stock up. But they didn't decrease from then; they just increased by 1-2%. After that, a huge spike. We can skip the cannabis companies. We don't know what will happen to them, but they went down by a bit, most of them. So I think they will go up too. But the best companies to invest in today, I'm gonna say it's Twilio. Okay, make a note. Twilio. Palantir keeps going down for some reason. Yeah, but don't come near this stock. Don't touch this stock. I'm telling you. Save yourself. So Twilio. Um, Neo if you want, but it's a hard one. Uh, Maybe some big cannabis companies like Canopy or Aurora. Um, we're a financial company, so I'm not sure what will exactly happen. But their founder is the same founder of Twitter, so they're both pretty similar to each other, stock wise. But I will. I mean, Twitter have just been going up day after day, so I don't know. Here you can see this is 19th January, so a month ago. 61%, they suddenly shot up. It's, yeah, it's just a bit crazy, as you might think to yourself. Square, you can buy Twitter stock. I think it won't go down. Okay. Also, Square, pretty good company to buy. They keep increasing in value for some reason, barely decreasing. They've got these small increasing spike, small decreasing, and then it jumps up again. So I would say that Square is the best one. Twitter, but Square is only till it will spike down again. Here it will spike down like this, so not as much percent, but it will have this spike down again. We saw it, that it happens a lot in this stock. I mean, look, we're looking at the year here. Now we can see it. So it keeps shooting up, going down, shooting up, going down. You see? Um, but it, I mean, from its at the start of the coronavirus pandemic, at its lowest point, it went up by 624%. So I think this company will become something huge. American Financial Services by Jack Dorsey, who is the same person who founded Twitter. So yeah, stick with a Twitter, Square, um, Twilio, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe Slack Technologies is their tech company, but I do not think that you should buy Genius Brand International. It's just a difficult stock to have. You don't know when it will uh, shoot up again. You don't know if it will decrease at once. You don't even know a lot about the company itself, to be honest. Um, but yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. Um, have a very nice day, and yeah, let's hope it goes up today then. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here, and leave a comment down below if it worked or what other stocks you bought for today. Have a nice day, and yeah, peace out.